Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate freelance management with Upwork. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate freelance management with Upwork, begin by logging into your Upwork account. Navigate to your dashboard where you can see your current projects and tasks. Click on the Jobs tab at the top of the page. From here, select Manage Jobs to view all your active and archived job listings. Look for the Filters option to refine your job search by criteria such as job type or status. Next, utilize the Saved Searches feature to quickly access job categories you frequently check. Once you've set your filters and saved searches, explore the Messages tab. In the Messages section, use the Automated Responses feature for quick communication with freelancers. Set up predefined messages for common inquiries or project updates to save time. Now, navigate to the Reports section to track your spending and project progress. Automate the reporting process by scheduling weekly or monthly reports to be sent to your email. For payroll management, go to the Settings section. Look for the Payment Methods tab, where you can set up automatic payments for your freelancers. Choose the option for milestone payments to ensure freelancers are paid promptly upon task completion. Additionally, use Upwork's time tracking tools for hourly projects. Encourage your freelancers to use the Upwork desktop app for accurate tracking of their working hours. Lastly, familiarize yourself with Upwork's mobile app for managing tasks on the go. By following these steps, you can streamline your freelance management process and enhance your productivity on Upwork. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.